Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. Yeah, this is a quick video for you guys. I am here to show you my new Powersteam Ultra iron. Yeah, I just got this iron and it's not disappointing me at all. This is actually the first time I am using this iron, and I decided to get just some fabrics to at least test the iron, and I can see that so far so good. It is actually giving me what I actually wanted. And one of the things I love about this iron is the weight, the size. It's heavy. I mean, it's heavy. I have used some irons in the past, good, steam irons, but it's like this is actually different because the weight alone, I'm telling you, I just love the weight. I love how heavy it is, you know. You can imagine if a heavy iron is being placed on the fabric while it is hot, and with the steam that is coming out. Wow, this is actually beautiful, to use, and it's about 3,100 watts. Wow, 3,100 watts. This is so lovely, and it's really giving me what I want. It has an inbuilt water tank that can contain about 350 grams of water at a time. Yes, and the shots that it brings out each time you press out the steam, it's about 210 grams. In fact, guys, the very first time I tried to press out some steam, I was scared because of the pressure. The pressure with which the steam came out, it was scary. I mean, the first time. So it's actually lovely, and it's a bit expensive. It's a bit expensive, but it's actually doing well. Yes, it's doing well. It's very heavy, very heavy. So yeah, I love it. I love it, and I'm here to just show you the newness of the iron. It's really good. I love what I am seeing. I love what I bought, and it's actually very lovely, and it's giving me what I want. So I decided to just make some pleats with it. This is the width of this is about my waist, the waist of the dress of the upper part that I eventually attached to, times two. You understand? I mean the waist measurement, the round waist measurement times two. I could have done more, like probably 2.5 or times three, but because I didn't have much, but I decided to just, of course, I was testing it, and it's really, it's really lovely. It's really lovely. You can see the outcome of it. It's really beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is what I have, and I am loving it. I am loving it. All right, so look at what I have. This is the outcome. This is the outcome, and the texture is really lovely. It's really, really lovely. I'm telling you, it softens the fabric, softens it. I mean, softens it. And all through the times I, attached it to the upper parts, the upper bodies, it maintained that soft texture. It wasn't rumpled at all. It really, really, it was really good. I'm telling you, I love it. So this is the outcome. I eventually gathered the waist just to be able to attach to the bodice. So this is what I have. I remember I am sure you remember the bodice. I have used it in my video the last time. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box, and even the sleeve design also. I have shared it on my channel before. Thank you so much. Bye.